Kernel Outlook Attachment Extractor is a savior for many business organizations with Outlook as their default email client. With this tool, you can easily extract all your important attachments and email addresses from OST and PST files, which saves from unexpected losses and issues. Or, you can even directly connect Outlook profile. Here is the detailed tutorial about how you can extract attachments and email addresses from OST file and PST file along with Outlook profile. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search bar and type Kernel Outlook Attachment Extractor, and launch the tool. There are two options, Add Source and Connect Outlook Profile. First, we will execute the process with the Add Source option and see the steps to extract email attachments. Select the OST or PST file and click Open. Note, with this tool you can add single or multiple OST and PST files at the same time as needed. Once the file is added, you can preview all the mailbox folders by clicking them. If you want to look for specific emails, then you can utilize filter option and search mails based on email properties such as from, to, CC, BCC, subject, body, read, unread, attachments and date. You can also extract attachments from selective email by right-clicking on it, and then selecting the Extract Attachments option. Moreover, if you want to extract attachments from particular folders, manually select them, or to extract attachments from all the folders, click on the Select All option. Click on the Extract button and select attachments from the given options. Provide the desired saving location by clicking on Browse and make a new folder, then tap on OK. You can apply filters such as Open Folder after export is done, Skip Empty Folders, Save Attachment Files. For more selective extraction, you can include file extensions that you want or exclude file extensions that you do not want. Click on Save to start the attachment extraction process. Once the process is done, you will see a pop-up window with message extraction complete. Click Done and you will be redirected to the location that you have provided to save the extracted attachments. Click on any folder to see all the attachments extracted. This completes the attachment extraction process with OST file and PST file. Now, we will execute the process with Outlook profile and know the steps to extract email addresses. Click on the Remove All button to delete already added source file. Note, you can also connect Outlook profile along with the already added OST file and PST file, without removing them. Click on Connect Outlook profile and select Profile Name, then click OK. All the profiles configured within your Outlook will appear on your screen. Click on any profile and folder to get a preview of the emails. To extract email addresses from specific mails, right-click on it and select the Extract Email Addresses option. Select the mailbox from which you want to extract the emails or click the Select All option. Then, click on the Extract button and select Email Addresses option. Provide the desired saving location by clicking on Browse and select the preferred folder or make a new folder, then tap on OK. Click on the List option and it will list all the emails stored in the Data File and Email Addresses Found pane. Tap on the Save button to save all the email addresses. Note, this option saves all the email addresses in a single Excel sheet. Once the process is done, you will receive a pop-up message, click OK. Click Done and you will be directed to the specified location. All the email addresses are saved in the Excel sheet. Open it and get a preview of it. To save extracted email addresses in the same folder structure, select the Extract within Folder Structure option. Then click on the Extract button. The software will start the extraction process. Once done, click OK in the prompt window. Click Done and see the emails saved in the hierarchical order in their respective folders. To learn more about the Outlook Attachment Extractor in detail, visit the given link in the description. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Keep exploring, keep learning.